Hey everybody, Gabby here. Just a quick little introduction to this week's video. My father is from Venice originally. He moved here in '86, the last time the Mets won the World Series. That's why we are Mets fans. And he always buys me for Christmas Italian-related food and cooking stuff, anything that has to do in that realm of like actually made in Italy, from Italy kind of thing. He sent me again for like the second or third year in a row something called Pinocchio's Pantry, which is all from Italy. I guess you pick and build your own box. And so when I got it in the mail, I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea to share with you guys and do an unboxing? So this is a different style video this week. We're just going to unbox the Pinocchio's Pantry box and check out what's inside. I did make a prediction that I think was partially correct. But I will say the one thing that was not in the box that I thought would be included is panettone. And I have this right here that's from Thanksgiving that my father did gift me. It's panettone. So we really didn't need it in that box anyway, and we still have some at home. Really good if you've never tried it. We also have pandoro. We haven't eaten through that either. So lots of sweets and treats in this house. And without further ado, let's check out what's in the box.
This is a Pinocchio's Pantry unboxing video. And I already know what's in this because my father has sent me packages like this before. So I'm gonna guess there's a panettone in here. There's some sort of bag of risotto. There's at least one type of pasta. Do you have any guesses something that might be in here?
I'm hoping speck.
Speck? Okay. He says speck, and I'm gonna say tomato sauce. The sticker on top says authentic Italian food. And I've gotten these boxes from him before. This might be like the third year in a row that he's gotten us one, right? Mike's in the background. So let's unbox it together and see what do we have in the Pinocchio's Pantry box. All right, already. We got pasta already. We've got pappardelle pasta. What did I say? Sauce?
Yes.
I think this is sauce. I think this is 2 jars. Make us in a spring, make us in a boom. Oh, we're gonna stay here. Wow, they really wrapped it. Sauce for pizza. Napoli, fresh basil, and extra virgin olive oil. And there's 2 of them. That's new for this year. Pizza sauce. Okay, next. Oh, it got a little dented. Crushed tomatoes. Well, they're not broken, so that's all that matters. So we do have 2 cans of polpa or muti solo pomodoro polpa, which I think just means pulp. Oh, I forgot about the cookies. Oh, we've got Mulino Bianco, Taralucci. Now, here's the thing. Every time, he doesn't send me pan di stelle, and I like pan di stelle, and Ariana likes Galetti, which is this box. He always mixes up my sister and I. I like the cocoa ones, which are called pan di stelle. Maybe I can find a picture and put it right here. I still like these. I mean, I'm not complaining at all. They're delicious, just for reference. Those are my #1, Dad, if you're watching this. Grazie mille. The funniest part of all of this is there's most definitely going to be something dairy in here because that's being Italian. And I've been reading The Starch Solution by Dr. McDougall, and so I'm trying to get away from meat and dairy as an Italian. Okay. Bottiglia di olio di olivo. Is that it? Fly boy. Oh yeah, they really, I feel like there's more bottles in here this year of like glass stuff. Okay, we've got fig balsamic vinegar. That's new. This must have been a set. Oh, is it frozen? That's what happens when you live in the north. Oh my gosh. Extra virgin olive oil. But it's actually frozen. I wonder how long this was outside for. Lots of paper. I mean, I'd rather they overpack it than underpack it and everything's broken when it gets here. Okay, now this is wheat semanilla. So this is some sort of flour. Maybe it's to make pasta. And then, oh, this is a 00 flour. This is usually for pizza. Ideal flour for making authentic Italian pizza dough, pasta, focaccia, breads, and more. I've been baking a lot of sourdough lately. I've just been baking a lot lately. Not even just sourdough. This, I have no idea what this is. Mike, are you hoping this is spec? This is our last package.
Yes.
Let's see. What could it be? What if they were all blindfolded? Oh, guanciale.
Oh, that's good.
That's Mike's second favorite. Yes, that works. So this one had cold packs in it, even though it obviously did not need cold packs at all. That's quite a haul there. So we've got guanciale, 2 bags of flour, crushed tomatoes, pizza sauce, pappardelle, our cookies, and our olive oil and vinegar. And that right there, that is quite a haul. Grazie, Papa. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks. See you next week.